Stephen hadn't had a holiday for 3 years. He was so busy in his construction business, he knew that if he was away and he was sitting on a beach, he'd just be checking his emails anyway and getting phone calls from site, so he'd rather not go away and deal with that stress. The problem was he had 2 young kids, and he also didn't want to miss out on them growing up and those family holidays together. So he came to work with me to specifically work on his work-life balance. It didn't matter how much money he was earning if he wasn't actually able to have a good life balance too. So we really focused on a few things. One was getting him some time back, but 2 was showing him how to delegate effectively so that he could go away and enjoy a holiday. Once we showed him how to delegate effectively to his project managers, he was able to put the right systems and processes in place, and he was able to go away for the first time in 3 years and have a 2-week holiday. Yeah, he did have to check his emails every now and again and make the odd phone call back, but it was nothing like he was expecting, and he was actually able to enjoy a nice holiday. It was a complete game changer and a light bulb moment for him that he actually could step away and enjoy his business. So I highly encourage you, if you want to learn how to get results just like Stephen did, then register for our workshop, the Work-Life Balance Builder, and we'll show you how to effectively implement 6 things that's going to get you work-life balance this year. Comment balance and we'll show you how to register.